Unveiling the mystery. Speak of the devil. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very intriguing phrase, speak of the devil. Have you ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what it means or where it comes from? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and discover how to use this phrase in your conversations. Speak of the devil is an idiomatic expression used when the person you're talking about suddenly appears or is mentioned in the conversation. It's a way to acknowledge someone's unexpected arrival or mention in a playful or humorous manner. The full saying is often, "Speak of the devil, and he shall appear," but it's commonly shortened in everyday conversation. The origin of "speak of the devil" is quite fascinating. It dates back to the 16th century and is derived from the superstition that saying the devil's name could summon him or bring bad luck. Over time, the phrase lost its serious connotation and became more of a humorous remark used to acknowledge someone's sudden presence. Using "speak of the devil" is simple. Imagine you're talking about a friend, and just as you mention their name, they call you or walk into the room. You can exclaim, "Speak of the devil." It's a light-hearted way to greet someone or to express surprise at their timely appearance. Remember, this phrase is best used in casual settings among friends or family due to its playful nature. Let's look at some examples to see how "speak of the devil" is used in real-life conversations. Example 1. Alice and Bob are discussing their colleague, Chris. Suddenly, Chris arrives. Alice says, "Speak of the devil. Here's Chris now." Example 2. Two friends are talking about needing advice from their mentor. As they turn around, they find their mentor approaching them, prompting one to say, "Speak of the devil. We were just saying we needed your guidance." These examples illustrate how the phrase can be used to smoothly transition from talking about someone to addressing them directly, adding a touch of humor and warmth to the interaction. And that wraps up our exploration of "speak of the devil." We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing expression, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the rich cultural stories and humor behind the expressions we use every day. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating language insights. See you in the next video.